Okay. So in the last lecture we have completed the explanation up to pain. From here, that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the married children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards, dot dot dot. Now first let me tell you the meaning of sprinting. Sprinting means running. See, so what is happening over here? The poetess Kamala Das, she is driving and beside her, her mother is there. Color of her face, mother's face, pale, dozed, mouth open. So there is a fear, sense of fear in poetess mind that she is in the latter stage of her life. Maybe I'm a working woman, I'm working outside, maybe a time will come that she'll die and I'll not be able to see her. So the thought that she is in the latter stage of life and she may die, the thought was very emotional, very negative thought. So what happens whenever in our mind such negative thought arrives, what we do? We generally, yes, think of something else. So what she has done over here, she simply looked outside, that she was as old as she looked. Now who is thinking this? Poetess. Poetess is thinking this regarding her mother, that she is very old. Very old signifies that any time death may surround her. That she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away. Now who is putting that thought away? Poetess. She is putting that thought away because she doesn't want to think on that negative thing. So she put that thought away. And how does? And looked out. Driving at the same time she looked out. Okay. And here the poetess, she has given a complete contrast. What is the complete contrast? Beside her, mother, old, pale face, in the latter stage of life. And when she looked away, just to put that thought away, what happened? She saw something very different, very contrast. Looked out at young trees sprinting. You might have experienced this. Whenever you are traveling with a train or bus, how do you feel about the trees that they are running? Isn't it? Very fast train, they are running. So this side, mother, pale, open mouth, doze, in the latter stage of life. And this side, complete contrast. That is young trees sprinting, full of energy. Sprinting, when one can sprint, when it has a energy, power. So she was sitting, doze, open mouth. And this side, trees completely sprinting, means full of energy, as well as young. See comparison. Old used for mother and young for trees. Complete contrast. Trees sprinting. The married children. Now again contrast. In the back we have seen that word sad, pale has been used. And children, young children, what the word has been used for them? Merry. So again it's a contrast situation. Here the mother very sad, children very happy. And you might have seen that whenever children come out of school, okay, after recess, the laugh, the shout, they produce merry children, spilling out of their homes. Okay, but after the airport security check, it means after this incident, what happened? She finally arrived to the airport. Now you know very well that in airport there is security check, a long procedure. Okay, so now, but after the airport security check, standing a few yards, it means that the mother is standing over there and the poetess is standing over here. After security check, she is watching her mother's face, and again the same thought will come to her mind. And in the last stanza we will see that at the moment of helplessness, what generally we do? We simply smile. At the moment of helplessness, because she has to work, At the same time, she has to leave her mother all alone, and the condition of mother is not good. What maximum she can do is smile and smile and smile.